What if I told you right now, your heart is launching a tiny river adventure, and your life depends on it every second? Stay with me, because by the end, you'll see and feel exactly how your blood makes a full loop through your body. In this video, we'll follow a single imaginary blood drop, where it starts, where it travels, how it gets oxygen, and how it returns. By the end, you'll be able to explain your own circulation like a mini scientist. Picture this: you're tired, you climb stairs, suddenly your heart races. What's really happening inside? Your blood loop speeds up to deliver more oxygen. Let's zoom inside that hidden highway and track our tiny red traveler. First stop, the heart, your body's central pump. It's a strong, hollow muscle about the size of your fist, squeezing all day. Our blood drop waits in the right side, low on oxygen, ready for a ride to pick up fresh air. The right atrium is like a waiting room. Used blood from all over your body pours in here, low in oxygen, rich in waste like carbon dioxide. A quick squeeze sends it down into the right ventricle, the powerful pumping room. Ready for launch? The right ventricle contracts like a strong hand pressing a balloon, pushing blood into the pulmonary artery. This special path doesn't go to the body yet. It heads straight to the lungs for a fresh air refill. Our blood drop zooms into the lungs, arriving in tiny air sacs. Here, magic happens. Carbon dioxide is dropped off, oxygen is picked up like swapping an empty backpack for a full one. The color shifts from deep blue to bright red. Why turn red? It's just a helpful way to show oxygen-rich blood. In reality, the change is subtle, but in our story, red means fully loaded with oxygen energy, ready to feed your brain, muscles, and every living cell. Freshly loaded, our droplet leaves the lungs through the pulmonary veins. Unlike most veins, these carry oxygen-rich blood. They bring everything back to the heart's left atrium, the bright side of the pump station. Left atrium time is short. With a gentle squeeze, the heart pushes blood down through a valve into the left ventricle. This chamber has thick muscular walls, built to launch blood on a long journey through the whole body. Here comes the big moment. The left ventricle contracts hard. Pressure rises, valves snap shut behind, and blood surges into the aorta, your body's main superhighway. Our droplet is fired like a rocket on its grand tour. Inside the aorta, blood doesn't just rush in one line. This thick vessel branches again and again, like a tree turning into many twigs. Each branch carries our droplet closer to organs that are hungry for oxygen. Let's send our droplet to the brain first. The brain is extremely picky, needing a constant, steady flow. Thin arteries snake upward, delivering oxygen so your thoughts, memories, and movements can keep running smoothly. At the brain's edge, arteries divide into tiny capillaries, the narrowest vessels. Here, the droplet must squeeze single file. This is where the true exchange happens. Oxygen out, nutrients out, waste products in. When oxygen leaves, our droplet's job in that neighborhood is done. Now low on oxygen and full of carbon dioxide, it starts the journey back. Capillaries merge into small veins, which slowly gather into larger return highways. Imagine city streets feeding into bigger roads than a main freeway. That's exactly how your veins work. Our droplet glides through medium veins, joining up with countless others, all heading to the same destination, the heart. Some veins climb up from your legs, fighting gravity. Tiny valves act like doors that only open upward, stopping blood from sliding back down. Muscle squeezes from walking help push the blood upward, step after step. All these veins eventually meet in two huge veins, the superior and inferior vena cava. They're the final tunnels guiding used blood into the right atrium, where our droplet's loop began. Full circle? Almost. Now watch the full loop. Right heart to lungs, lungs to left heart to body, body back to right heart. That's double circulation. One circuit for gas exchange, one for body delivery. Efficient, clever, non-stop. Why does this matter? Without this constant loop, your cells would run out of oxygen in minutes. Brain cells, heart cells, muscle cells, everyone depends on that rhythmic push from your heart every second of your life. Notice how precise this system is. Valves open and close in perfect timing, vessels guide flow in one direction, and pressure stays balanced. One small failure can cause big issues, which is why your body protects this loop. When you exercise, your muscles shout for more oxygen. Your heart responds by beating faster and stronger, and vessels widen slightly. Our droplet now races around the loop, completing circuits in less time to meet demand. Even when you sleep, the loop never stops. The speed slows, but the pattern is the same. Right heart, lungs, left heart, body, back again. Our droplet may take a calmer ride, but the circuit must always stay unbroken. Let's follow our droplet through one more quick lap, from a leg muscle back to the heart, up to the lungs, over to the left side, out to the brain, then back again. A mini world tour inside your own body. Think about this. In just 1 minute, your blood can make a full round trip through your body. That means our tiny droplet might visit brain, lungs, and toes in less time than it took me to say this sentence. What keeps it all moving? The heartbeat. Each lub-dub is valves snapping and chambers squeezing in order. That steady rhythm powers the entire loop. Skip too many beats and the system quickly starts to fail. So the blood circulation loop is really a perfectly timed delivery service. Pick up oxygen in the lungs, drop it off in the tissues, collect waste, and rush it back for cleaning, again and again and again. Next time your heart races, remember, that's your internal delivery system switching to turbo mode. More loops per minute, more oxygen per cell. It's your body's instant solution for stress, effort, and excitement. Now you've met the full cast: heart, vessels, lungs, and our hard-working droplet. Together they form the blood circulation loop that keeps you alive, thinking, moving, and feeling from your first breath to your last. If you can picture this loop, you'll understand many other scientific facts: blood pressure, strokes, heart attacks, even why breathing deeply helps. This simple pathway explains a huge part of how your body works. Stick around on this channel, and we'll keep exploring more hidden journeys inside you. For now, take a moment to appreciate your heart, quietly sending trillions of red travelers on their endless, life-giving loop.